In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Shopify store through the Shopify Help Center. We're going to take you through this process step by step, ensuring it's as straightforward and user-friendly as possible. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Shopify's main page by typing shopify.com into the address bar. Once the page has loaded, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen and locate the Login option. This is the gateway to accessing your store's backend and all its functionalities, so give it a click. After you've clicked on Log In, you will be prompted to enter your login details. Now, typically, this means entering the email address and password associated with your Shopify account. It's a good time to remember that keeping your credentials secure is vital, so make sure your password is strong and unique. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, and I recommend that you do for an extra layer of security, you'll need to complete this step by authenticating your credentials. Two-factor authentication usually requires you to enter a code sent to your mobile device, a simple yet effective way to protect your store from unauthorized access. Once your login credentials have been verified, you'll be ushered into the admin dashboard of your Shopify store. This dashboard is where the magic happens. Here, you can manage orders, update product listings, and keep tabs on sales data and customer interactions. It's your command center for everything related to your store's operation. And that's pretty much it. Logging into your Shopify store is that quick and simple. Remember, if you ever encounter issues during login, Shopify's support team is just a click away and can assist you with any troubleshooting you might need. I hope this guide has been helpful. Now you're ready to log into your Shopify store confidently. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more tips and tutorials on getting the most out of your Shopify experience. Until next time, take care and happy selling.